Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from
Hello.
Cheeky Seats. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our Honda Super Cub seat covers. We recommend that you take your little piece of chrome bling off. It attaches with 2 screws. Take that off, set that aside, and we'll get started. On the seat cover that we have here, which is a beautiful whiskey diamond seat cover, in the front there is a little sticker that says front. We start at the back. Rafa shows you how to pull that over the edge and then over the nose. You can do this while it's on the bike. We just don't have a Super Cub to put on the table. Then the sides, pull the sides in. You'll notice on the inside edge of the seat cover there is a line which should line up with the edge of your seat, and we can see this actually needs a little repositioning. It's a little too far in, so Rafa's adjusting that. There's a pull stop at the back. Tightens up the edge, and then smoothing, positioning, making sure this thing looks really good, and it does. Beautiful diamond cover, and when you're done, take your little piece of chrome, you can push the edge of the seat cover, the lip of the seat cover in, reattach it with your screws, and you have a beautiful finished, polished look for your Honda Super Cub. Made in Pennsylvania. Thank you very much. Bye.